Sure. Here's a slightly shorter version, perfect for a 1 minute 40 seconds to 1 minute 50 seconds video. This 1967 Chevrolet Camaro RS Coupe is a beautifully restored icon of American muscle. Completed in 2016, the car was refinished in Bolero Red with bold white stripes, giving it a classic, aggressive stance. Signature RS hidden headlights, a cowl hood, front and rear spoilers, and chrome bumpers complete its timeless look. It rolls on 14-inch body-color steel wheels with bow-tie hubcaps and Firestone Wide Oval tires, staying true to its vintage roots. Power-assisted drum brakes provide stopping power all around. Inside, the cabin is trimmed in black vinyl with front bucket seats, a rear bench, and a Hurst shifter in the center console. A mix of original and modern features includes vintage air climate control, an Audiovox radio, and aftermarket gauges mounted below the dash. Under the hood is a potent 396 Ci V8 installed in 2015, replacing the original 327. It features full-length headers and a Flowmaster dual exhaust, giving it the unmistakable roar of a true muscle car. Power is sent to the rear wheels through a Muncie 4-speed manual and a 3.08-1 Positraction differential. With clean execution and classic appeal, this Camaro RS, featured in Chevy Classics magazine, is a striking blend of performance, history, and style.